Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload files and images to Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to upload your files or your images, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here you have to make sure that you're logged into Claude AI. So simply search for Claude AI and open the first official website of Claude AI. Here, if you are signed in, so you might see at this type interface, if you want to upload a file or a photo or a picture from your gallery or from your files, so just click on this plus icon over here and then click on add files or photos. Now from here, you have to select the file or the photo you want to upload. So let's say I'm gonna upload this one. And once uploaded, you have to enter any prompt, or if you want to ask something about this photo, so you can enter that here. So here I have uploaded a Spider-Man's photo and I have entered written that tell me something about this photo, and just click on this send option. It might take some moments to answer and you might get your answer here. You can also upload any file using this method. Just click on this plus icon, click on add file or photos, and from here just select any file which you want to send. And once you have done, you can simply ask any question about that file or the photo and Claude AI will reply you. So in this way you can easily upload any file or photo to Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.